For each situation below, what is the probability experiment, the sample space, and the outcome described? You toss a quarter, catch it, and find the result to be heads. The probability experiment would be the action of tossing a two-sided quarter. And let's assume it's a fair quarter. Can a tree be drawn for this situation? Yes, it can, because the outcomes, heads and tails, would be equally likely. So the sample space would be that set of outcomes, heads and tails. But the outcome that was described was heads. Let's compare that to this next situation, which says you ask your best friend who they voted for in the 2016 general election. There were 4 candidates on the ballot: Trump, Clinton, Johnson, and Stein. Let's assume your friend picked from those and did not do a write-in. Your friend says Johnson. That was the response. So the probability experiment would be the action of asking your friend who they voted for in 2016. Can a tree be drawn for this situation? Well, not without more information. With the information given, we can actually not draw a tree. The reason why is because it's not equally likely that your friend would answer those 4 possibilities. Some of the candidates didn't get much percentage of the vote, for example. So I wouldn't draw a tree for it. Now, when it comes to the outcomes, it's not who won the election, it's what your friend replied. They replied Johnson, so that's the outcome that's described. All right, we also like to use playing cards for a lot of probability fundamentals. And so here is a picture of the playing card deck, 52 card standard deck. There's going to be 4 suits. Those suits are clubs, spades, hearts, and diamonds. As you can see, there are 12 face cards. Face cards are these ones right here. Also, half the deck is black and half the deck is red. And there are also 4 aces. So these are all things that we'll want to take into consideration with some of the problems to come in future videos.